Okay, so the allotted time has gone by. As you can see, if you don't mind, just turn. We have the color that we originally went in to establish. It's looking good. So now we're going to go wash it out and we'll be right back. Show you the results. Okay, so we rinsed all the color out. Now we're in the processing of shampooing to make sure that there's no residue. All residue is removed from the beard. Just shampooing the color out. Yep, it's coming out really good. Get the mustache. I can't with you. I can't with. Okay. So as you can see, even though we rinsed, there's still a little bit of residue left. We want to make sure we get all that to make sure we don't do any damage to the skin underneath the beard. We're going to rinse this, shampoo again, and then we're going to come back with a condition for the beard. Alright, just one moment.